me see. Check your homework. You want to check the homework? Got that.
Again, thanks to Before and After category and Matthew. T. No. Sam, it's your turn.
Oh, they are really like pillows. Look at that. It looks like it's nice and eggy. That apple skeever is awesome. Thank you.
Alright, just like me, I have concrete ceiling, so there's no wood beams to install a ceiling fan. My solution: get some masonry concrete screws. These are 1 3/4 long, 3/16, and you'll need a hammer drill with a 532 drill bit to pre-drill the hole so you could tap in those screws, which will hold the ceiling fan. And inside there are 3 screws that are holding the entire unit. So here's a swag light, swag fixture, which is just plugged into regular receptacle outlet. 2 prongs, just a positive wire and a return wire. A switch, turn on and off the power. Runs straight up, just attached to the wall by some cable wire staples. Run it up. Swag hook. How do you install that on concrete? Pre-drill. I took a 1/4" drill, hammer drill bit, made a pilot hole, then inserted a plastic anchor. With the plastic anchor secured inside the actual concrete ceiling, then I went ahead and just screwed in the swag hook. Once you have the swag hook installed, the wiring is just follow the instructions on the swag hook. It's just every 4th link, just run it through. About halfway through, so it kind of droops down a little bit. Doesn't hit the fan. Turn it off. There you go. It's off. I'm not supposed to touch it, but there you go. Slow it down. Don't hate me for that. All right. Swag hook. Continuation. Now, power wires in here, straight into the base, which you can have 2 options. Just run it straight up and into it, and then run it down into the actual fan for the power supply, and then you connect it according to a manufacturer's suggestion. And you can have another hook in here, which I didn't do. But it's okay, it's not hitting the fan. There's plenty of clearance, if I recall 3 inches of clearance, so it works out for my application. And then once you install that, then you just pretty much follow the instructions installing the manufacturer's ceiling fan configuration. This is a flush mount ceiling. This is the cap that comes up flush, comes down. Inside there are screws. You attach the screws to the base, put everything up, button everything up, and you're done. Switch.